Today I'm going to show you how to make a popcorn kneadable eraser. It's so cool because you can play with it. It's cool, it's cute, and it can even erase. Go check in the description how to make the kneadable eraser because that's the first step. I decided to start these series because when I made the kneadable eraser video, I made it yellow and it reminded me of popcorn. Let's do it.
Take an eraser and start just simply cutting it in small pieces. Just remember not to small. Oh my God, look at this. It's surreal. Don't forget to stay updated and watch the next series of Filling It Up. Hope you enjoyed watching.
Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.